What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on Phb. And in today's video, guys, we do have an update on this crypto which has pumped up over a 45% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $1.37, guys. It is Pheonix, also known as Phb. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much, how far is it likely to pump up to, can it potentially hit $2 anytime soon, and going through its prediction for the rest of December and going into 2024. What can we expect from the crypto? Is it worth investing into, or should you avoid it and hold back onto it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Pheonix, which is here in purple at 91 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $1.38, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, the only bad point to that is it also means that it is overvalued right now, so it does have a chance to drop back down in value below the dollar mark, but we'll get into that shortly. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic due to the fact that it's pumped up so much over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and so on. However, that is not the case. So essentially, over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tonight and early hours tomorrow, I'm expecting Pheonix to have dropped back down to around $1.20, or just below that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Even though for the moment it is likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially hitting about $1.50, $1.60 over the coming hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Below $1.20 is what I'm expecting right now. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So exact same as the previous chart, this is not realistic. Exact same reason, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting Pheonix to have once again gone for an overall drop in value, because right now it is overvalued. So by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting more red days from the crypto, potentially dropping down below the dollar mark is where I'm expecting Pheonix to be trading at by the end of next week. But that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7 8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well, take a little bit of a pump, but again, the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the negative side. So do expect an overall drop in value from this crypto over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning once again it's not realistic. The graph has completely changed the way it's been going. As you guys can see, all these days it was literally just hovering around and going in a smooth direction all up until now, where it's taken a major pump. The graph has also steeped up in value. However, that's not what I'm expecting. Yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say late February, early March 2024, I'm expecting Pheonix to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But before it does that, it's going to have to drop back down in value over the coming week or two, and then slowly and steadily gain value up to around $2 is where I'm expecting Pheonix to be trading at by Q1 of 2024, so around February, March next year, it should be trading around $2 or slightly higher than that value. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major drop or a major crash or a bull run or a price bump, anything like that, that can have a potential positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Pheonix or the crypto market in general, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the blue zone here, and it is overvalued. Reason for that is because we did not resist at all. As you guys can see, a couple of days ago we were trading in the green zone here without any resistance. We broke out into the dark green zone, and again today without any resistance we broke out into the blue zone, meaning over the next week or so, even over the next couple of days, it's like to drop back down into the green zone and then resist here whenever it thinks of, you know, dropping out or breaking out from the green zone. It should essentially resist and then slowly and steadily increase in value. By Q1 of 2024, we should be trading in the top tier level here. Around $2 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 530% in the last 24 hours, making it $71 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, as you guys can see here. So it has gained a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are trading the crypto. It's getting a lot of traction in the crypto market, hence why the trading volume has gone up. So as mentioned in the thumbnail, can Pheonix hit $5? Yes, it can, but it's going to take quite a while. Potentially Q4 towards the very end of next year, it may be able to hit the $5 mark depending on how it performs, how the crypto market performs. So if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Let me know what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Pheonix to hit in 2024. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today and tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.